Today I'm gonna see if this Web Pro Coil Cleaner is doing a really good job. I've just replaced my old AC. This is the coil that was there after 15 years, and I want to see if I'm gonna make this is really concentrated. It's probably 1:5 ratio. If this solution is going to clean the coils, and if it does, how well it's going to do it. So I'm just gonna spray it on. Let's put it on the side, and we'll see on this side if it's going to do anything. I've used this product on my coil on my unit at home, and it did pretty good job, although because I couldn't rinse it off, I had to go and use my compressor to blow all the debris out of the way. So I'm just gonna do the half right side of that coil, and we'll see how it's going to perform. I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then I'll show you the results. This Pro Coil Cleaner claims to be neutral, says no acid or alkalines. I have pH strips. Let's test it. So I have a strip. Let's dip it right here, and let's see. Well, it's green, just like 7.0. Wow. So it actually is pH neutral. The right side was sprayed with this Web Coil Cleaner. Don't see a lot of change. Let's spray it on and let's see. Let's see. Honestly, I don't see much difference. But of course, this is 15-year-old coil. Let's see over here. Not a lot of difference. Let's see right here. I maybe penetrated it a little bit. I'm guessing it's not going to harm your coil because it's pH neutral. It's not gonna do miracles, especially on the old coil. So what I would say is it's not gonna hurt it. It's probably a good idea to spray it on, and if you don't have your coil dirty as this one, it will probably clean some of the dirty parts in between the blades, and then if you're gonna thoroughly clean it, it will keep it clean. So I would say it's a okay product. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Goodbye.